Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G200 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Finally select Send on Motorola and Receive on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you'll select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one file. Choose Send and tap on Got It. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, choose only this time on Allow, and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait a bit, and now as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!